What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna hit up winners up to 60% less every day. There should be a lot of deals in this store. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go scan.
Have people around you that have seen a lot, have done a lot, I think it only helps you.
Check out some of these poster frames. If you're going to rise, you might as well shine. Family, where life begins, love never ends. These are great. Life is beautiful. Our family says I love you, embraces the differences, has a sense of humor, keeps our promises, dreams big, is patient most of the time, tries our best, respects each other, gives a lot of hugs, encourages each other, never gives up, makes mistakes but always forgives, but above all, we love each other. So far in my search through winners, there's a lot of stuff, a lot of cool products in this store, but not a lot of them are kind of small and compact, bulk kind of FBA products that you would hope to sell. For the most part, they're bigger, they're out of their, not really packaged or anything like that. So that makes it harder to sell on Amazon. We'll keep looking. You got chairs, you got pillows, but they're not packaged. You got lots of ornaments, globes, lots of cool things in the store, but you can't really sell things like that on Amazon. It's much with every store you go into, you want to find the clearance section. So lots of great clearance products in this store. I absolutely love this store. I think it's a great store. A lot of cool products. You just got to look around. You'll probably end up spending a couple $100 here, and you'll find a few gems. Like, check this gem out right here. Depending on how you package it up, maybe you want to do fulfillment by merchant. Check that out. Lots of cool things. Check out this Mario Brothers block. I don't know if it has a barcode on here, but lots of cool LED lights like these mini LED lights sell well on Amazon. They want $8 for this. We'll scan it and see what it does. This is 100 indoor use mini LED lights. They want $16.99 for that. We'll scan it and check it out. For the most part, doing retail arbitrage in this store is not the easiest bet because, again, you're looking at products that are out of packages, out of boxes, so they're much harder to sell this in this state. But nothing worthwhile is ever easy to do. So just keep hunting and you'll find inventory in here, like these laundry baskets, which I need to buy one for home. They're going to have a lot more revenue and a lot more profit because they're unique. Every Winners always has smaller package item section. Make sure you head over to that area. That's where you'll find a lot of small boxed items. Those usually unique glasses here. Sorry. Got these cool shot glasses. The houseware section is an excellent section to check out and scan. Make sure you head over there, scan as much as you can. Guys, man, there is a lot of stuff in Winners, a lot of unpackaged stuff. So if I were to give this place a rating, it'd probably be like 5 out of 10. Winners combines its stores with a company called HomeSense, and HomeSense is the company that does all the decorations for homes. So things like lamps, pillows, home accents, gourmet, your kitchen, all those sort of things would be in the HomeSense section. Then usually in the Winners side, you can find a mixed bag of everything: electronics, women's clothes, men's clothes, shoes. The great thing about Winners is they have a perfume selection. So you can usually head to the clearance section of the perfume area and find some really good deals there. Go over to the toy aisle and see what's going on there. See if we can find any really good deals. Not a great place to do retail arbitrage, especially if you're a guy. It's just too confusing, too much stuff. Time to get out of here. All right, guys, I was in and out with essentially nothing. All I have to show for it is this laundry basket that I bought for my wife. And when you go into a store that big and you leave with nothing, it's kind of disappointing. So Winners, although it's an amazing store, and HomeSense, which is next to it, although that's also an amazing store, it's hard to do retail arbitrage in those stores. You got to spend a lot of time, and you don't always come out with products that sell well on Amazon, or at least what the problem ultimately becomes is they lead you in with some 60% off discounts, but ultimately you only find like 25% off. So